hasn't subscribed to my channel yet and is watching this video, thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside it so that you get notified every time I make a new video. So without further ado, let's open this box. I got this box from, medyo malaki siya guys. Ayan. I got this box from, ang bigat, kaya nasa floor tayo ngayon guys kasi sobrang bigat ng box. I got this from Canvas Champ, and what this is really is a company that prints pictures. And since I kind of went on holidays during my birthday, I decided to, you know what, print out some pictures, and instead of buying paintings outside, might as well use it as my decoration here at home. Before I forget guys, I wanted to mention that Canvas Champ doesn't just print pictures on canvas, but they also do like the albums. I know they also do the metal frames and all that stuff. So without further ado, I ordered a lot actually, and I haven't mentioned to you guys before, but, or maybe I did in one of my videos, that I also love taking pictures. And yeah, so I decided to actually bring them to life, kind of. Para kanta yun ah. Pero anyways, ayun nga. So I decided na magpa-print ng pictures and make it as my wall decor instead. The first one that I got, it's actually the top part here, and this one. Yeah. So this picture was taken at Butchart Gardens. As you can see, I am here in Butchart Gardens, and look at this beautiful tree, or I don't think that's a bush because that is a little bit too big for a bush, but yeah, this beautiful tree is like a mixture of red and orange. It's the fall season color, so I love this shot. So I had it framed. It's actually on a canvas, and it comes with a hook already, so it's easy for you to hook it or hang it on your wall. Yeah, so that's the first one. The second one, so if you can see, I'll show you. These are all the canvas prints that I ordered. There you go. And let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is a shot that I actually took in Winnipeg when I visited there. Yeah, this is the famous bridge that you see in Winnipeg. And again guys, yes, I took this picture just through my cell phone, the P20 Pro. There. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is the 8x8 size. So that's the second one. The third one is, this is another red kind of accent. So I took a picture of a rose at Butchart Gardens, and of course still using my P20 Pro. May styro pa siya guys. Yeah. And then this didn't turn out as beautiful as it is in the pictures, but I don't know if you're, oh, you can actually see it, but yeah, this tree, or the trees in Vancouver, really amazed me so much because of the different colors, the orange, the yellows, the mixtures of reds in it. It's just amazing. Yan. This was another favorite, and there you go. I just took this shot with my P20 Pro, and that is of course my feet there standing on the fallen leaves. And yeah, those are maple leaves in red, yellow, brown, pretty much all the colors of fall. Isn't that cute? Yeah, this is one of my favorite actually. And what is this? Okay, so this is when I was walking downtown Vancouver, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and of course I fell in love with the trees. That's why I took this shot with my P20 Pro again. There you go. Next shot, well, this is just a practice print actually. I just wanted to see how it's gonna turn out. And if you remember guys, I featured in one of my videos the crooked trees or the crooked bush at Hafford. And there you go. So I love the crooked bush or crooked trees. Here. I think the quality of this one guys is really good. It's a canvas print, but it was laid on a very nice piece of wood. So if you accidentally kind of puncture it or push through it, it's not gonna damage the picture in front. If you notice, I'm gonna show you, I do have some canvas paintings there on my wall. Yeah, that one is a little bit hollow at the back, so I have to be very careful in transporting them. And so unlike this one, it has a kind of like a protection at the back so it doesn't damage the picture. And this is another shot, of course, in Vancouver. There you go. And of course, the reason why I took this shot is because of the red tree again. Isn't that cute? Yeah. As you notice guys, my accent in my house is red. So yun, sobrang na-addict ako sa Vancouver when I saw the shots. This is again like a practice print. This is a shot that was taken at when I was in Florence, Italy. Yeah, and I was just sitting there and really watching this person perform, and yeah, just enjoying it. That's Florence. There you go. It's really looking nice. I love it, guys. There's a few more. Dami niyang styro. What I can see with the packaging, guys, with the way it was packaged, very safe yung pictures mo kasi ayan, ang daming styro sa loob. Okay, so this is another shot that I took. This is a very famous one because when the Olympics was held in Vancouver, this is where they kind of held it, like how do you call it, the torch kind of. Yeah, so I took this shot and yeah, decided to actually print it and put it on my wall. There. So ilan na siya, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the next one is this one. This is also in Winnipeg, as you can see. And this building, apparently, it was just a friend who actually told us about it, that it is built right in the center of Canada, like really at the center of Canada. And this is the Human Rights Building, or the Museum of Human Rights, or something like that. Yeah. So I took this shot in a very gloomy evening, very cloudy. Medyo malamig na rin tong araw nang nagpunta kami nito. So I wish I could have met Pinay Peg when I went here, pero sobrang nagmamadali talaga kami. It was late in the evening and this is pretty much the only two places that I was able to visit, like this one and this one. Yeah, so Pinay Peg, shout out to you. One day I will be visiting Winnipeg again, and we'll meet each other. That is for sure. Okay, the last, oh well, no, second to the last. Oh my goodness. This is wrapped very tightly. I don't have scissors here with me, but I'll just use my hands to tear it apart. Eto guys, timer shot lang to eh. I just laid it in front of me on a chair, and that's the outcome. I love the accent on this picture because of the colorful trees and of course different skyrise buildings there, and I just sat pretty much in front of the camera and took the shot. Medyo senti-senti mode tayo guys. So again, this is in Vancouver and I just decided to print it out. There you go. I forgot how this canvas costs. I will just leave it somewhere in the screen, here and here or something like that, and at least give you an idea on how much this one's costs. There. And then the last but not the least, and again, I think this is gonna be my favorite out of all the prints. Well, favorite ko naman sila lahat. Medyo maganda naman yung mga naging outcome nila. I love the quality of it kasi very sturdy naman siya. Okay, are you ready for it guys? I took this shot again. I guess alam nyo na kung bakit ko kinuha tong shot na to. Because of the red. Yeah, this boat was actually colored red, and I think this is something bluish, but what I did when I did my editing was kind of grade everything out and just pop the red colors out so that it's gonna be perfect as my accent there. And yeah, this is in Vancouver. There you go. And that is it. Yun na yung laman ng package natin, guys. Maybe in this video, I will show you how I would actually decorate that on my wall. And thank you guys for joining me in unboxing this Canvas Champ package. And I hope you like it, and at least you guys have an idea of where to go. So I will link their website down below, and if you are interested to have your pictures printed on a canvas, then I definitely recommend this company. Again, that is Canvas Champ. I think that's canvaschamp.ca if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, their quality is really good. It only took 2 weeks for them to process everything and shipping and all that stuff. It is not too expensive compared to other companies. It is very reasonably priced, and the quality, guys, very thick. And again, they actually placed it on a wood, so it's very sturdy, and it doesn't just, you know, hindi ka agad siya masisira. So very good yung quality niya, guys. And I think I will love my wall after I actually post it there. And again, guys, thank you for joining me, and see you on my next video. Bye!